All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one really doesn't count there. So these 5 logs used to be over here, and I wanted to bring them over to here to use a sawmill, but this has been really muddy and I can't hand pull it. I think I hand pulled that one, and I think I hand pull that one too, but that was like the extent of it. Like it's just too muddy and I don't have the strength. So we were able to use our small John Deere OS23 with ag tires, and we were able to get them out of here. You can see not too much, except this last one we kind of dug in a lot and it went nowhere, and I tried to adjust and I broke the handle. So I think I actually bought another piece to replace this because it had bent before. So this needs to get repaired before we can move any more logs. Yeah. Alright, yellow means cottonwood. And look at this side. It's got an opening cavity. Let's see what's inside. Alright, this one's kind of like maybe a 6 or an 8-inch log. Not much. Let's give it a fun try. Alright, it's starting to rain. We got 3. This was 1, that was 1. We got some inch, we got some 3/4 inch, we got some 1.5 for trail armoring, and for rectangular, if we need to, we don't pressure treat, we're going to use those.